Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. Multiply 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. Now 0 multiply 0 is equal to again 0. But this answer is not correct. This answer is wrong because math is always follow rules, and that rule is a PEMDAS. So let's solve this problem according to PEMDAS rule. Okay, PEMDAS. P means first priority is parenthesis, E means second priority is exponent, then M and D. M means multiplication, D means division. Both have same priority. Therefore, we have to solve it from left to right. And then addition and subtraction both also have same priority. Therefore, we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. Now, in this problem, the first priority is multiplication. So first we have to solve this part. 9 multiply 9 is equal to 9 minus 9 multiply 9 is equal to 81 minus 9. Okay. So here is a minus and here is a minus. Both have equal priority. Therefore, we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this part. Okay. Then we have to solve this minus. Okay. So 9 minus 81 is equal to minus 73 minus 9. Okay. Sorry, is equal to minus 72 minus 9. Now, minus 72 minus 9 is equal to minus 81. Okay. Therefore, the correct answer is minus 81. Please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel. Thanks for watching the video.